buy the Snowstorm bundle.
But before you buy it, Joven, there is a secret with this, guys. For the first time ever, Joven, every time you buy a Snowy bundle, you have a chance of getting a Chroma version of both of them.
No way.
Yes, I'm being serious.
From an item bundle, you get Chroma?
Yes, you have a chance. You have a chance every time you have a chance. So I'm going to go for a buy as well with you. And we have a chance of getting the Chroma right here.
Okay, nah, if we get the Chroma, our What Do People Offer video about to be insane.
Yes, it's not going to be easy. So you obviously do get the Godlies. I just saw Justin spawn out of nowhere. But here we go. Let's see if we can get the Chroma. Okay, you can go first. You go first. Come on. Fingers crossed.
Bundle Snowstorm, 3,309 Robux. Buy. Oh, wait, what the? Okay, regular Snowstorm.
And the other one?
The knife is regular.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna claim it. Ah, they're
Both
not
regular?
regular.
Okay.
But they look so cool.
No, they are really awesome. I'm gonna go for it as well. Let's go for it. Come on, buy. I got it! I got it!
No way!
No way! No way! Wait, I got the Chroma! I got the Chroma! I got the Chroma!
No way!
I got the Chroma! I got the Chroma! Oh my gosh! Joven! Joven! I didn't click it yet. I didn't click it yet. A birthday luck!
I'm gonna pass out.
I got the Chroma! I got it, Joven! I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna freak out. I got the Chroma!
No way!
No way!
That is so cool. That is so cool.
Okay, I'm clicking claim. This is real?
From an item bundle.
Joven, it worked! It actually worked! I got the regular Blizzard, but the Chroma Snowy. Let's go! We got the Chroma!
That is so hard to get.
Guys, that was unexpected. Here's the Blizzard gun. We've seen it. It looks awesome. But I don't even have the regular Snowstorm because I only have the Chroma version. That's so cool. Joven, we can look at yours and find out we have both. Nah, that's crazy. On video, guys, we got it. All right, well, I wasn't lying. There is a chance you can get a Chroma, and we got it. So, Joe.